At 8,400 feet, the pressure is our biggest enemy. We must prioritize the reactor compartment recovery while mitigating the risk.
Standing by for departure confirmation.
Coordinates confirmed, 220 east, we are underway.
Approach looks good, confirmed deck secured. Deck is clear, wind steady, you are clear to land.
Secure the gear, hit the chains.
All clear to unload. Move equipment to coordinates 39er Delta.
Diagnostics are green across the board. Initiating deployment sequence now.
Confirmed. Sled moving to moon pool.
Winch engaged, descent rate steady, passing 50 meters.
Copy that. Approaching 100 meters, switching to low light mode.
Depth reading confirms 1,000 feet. Alarm active.
Acknowledged. Pressure is climbing, temperature dropping as expected, Director.
Capacities and tank chancels. At these depths, every system faces pressures exceeding 1,800 pounds per square inch.
Sir, definite contact at 7,200 feet. Looks like a submarine profile.
Confirmed visual match. Visual match. It's the Thresher.
Mark position 7, reactor compartment containment appears intact, logging extensive hull fragmentation vicinity of frame 42. Adjusting thrusters, visibility degrading.
The S5W reactor has been shut down for over 6 decades, but we're treating this with maximum caution. The containment vessel must... Scans confirm significant structural degradation. Corrosion has reduced thickness by 30% in this section.
Acknowledged. Placing reinforcement beacons now.
We need to adjust the flow rate here to account for the increased density.
Copy that. Phase 7 thruster positioning needs refinement then.
Hold position, adjust jets angle 2 degrees down.
Copy that, adjusting jets now. Visibility is almost 0.
The ROV is holding position at 50 feet. We're still waiting on the sediment cloud to clear.
Understood. I'll monitor the current meters.
Corrosion is always the wild card in deep salvage. We plan for it, but you never know the true condition until you're down there.
Aft starboard shim installed. Confirming pressure stabilization.
Pressure stabilizing nominal. Beginning tension sequence.
RJ6 connected. Beginning tension cycle. Copy that. RJ6 green. Monitoring stability. Weather conditions are stable. Wind speed is holding steady. We are green for the lift sequence. Tension reading 150 tons across all lines. Adjusting gain on winch 4.
Copy that. Approaching 180. Looking good for the lock sequence now.
This is the moment everything hinges on, literally. If any lift point fails, if any cable snaps, we lose the wreck and potentially...
Bow stabilization check complete, maintaining horizontal attitude.
Roger that. Ascent rate holding steady at 100 feet per hour.
Minor buckling near the sail structure confirmed. Reactor readings remain nominal.
Copy that. Authorization granted. Resume ascent profile.
Passing 800 feet, water temperature rising rapidly, hull strain indicators are peaking.
Adjusting trim. Keep monitoring the thermal gradient.
Countdown steady. Ascent stabilizing at 20 feet per hour.
Look at the size of that thing. She's rising fast.
Control, we have breakthrough. Hull integrity looks good. Confirmed. Thresher is surfaced. We copy the cheers.
Positioning a 3,000-ton submarine in open ocean is like threading a needle in a hurricane. Every wave pushes her off center.
Almost there. Steady. Contact. Contact confirmed. Shifting weight. Locking clamps. System secure. Stern cables disconnected. Moving to midship.
Roger that. Winch 3, commence retrieval sequence.
Secure the starboard binders. Double time.
Pumps are online. Initiating dewatering sequence.
Engines are a go. All hands, prepare for transit.
Bridge, this is the captain. Holding course 270, maintaining 8 knots. We are on schedule for Norfolk arrival. We need a full photo survey of this penetration before we start grinding.
The damage is extensive, but not insurmountable. We've salvaged ships in worse condition. The key is that
The load factors are exceeding limits on the forward cradle.
I see it. Inform the bridge we need to adjust the ballast immediately.
Control, this is Tugboat Alpha. We have the bow steady. Copy Alpha. Tugboats, maintain pressure. Flint, you are clear to enter the dry dock.
Vessel control, we are aligned on the lasers, requesting final approach.
Confirmed alignment. All tugs hold position.
Stand by to secure forward lines. Pump status nominal. Dewatering rate steady.
Cradles engaging. Hull contact in 5.
Contact confirmed. Load transfer initiated.
Recovery complete. Now the real work begins, taking this corroded hulk and rebuilding her into a functioning submarine.
Bow section clear, moving stern. Copy that, proceeding to section 3. Maintain pressure at 3,000 psi. Cut on section 3 complete, seal breached. Acknowledged. Stand by for atmospheric testing.
Pressure equalized. Seals broken cleanly. Beginning descent now.
Look at that preservation. 60 years underwater and barely a scratch.
Bulkhead integrity confirmed. Structural frames require replacement, but the bulkhead itself is sound.
Walking through this space, you feel the weight of history. These were the last controls touched by men fighting for their lives.
All right, take the strain. Watch the clearance on frame 12.
Copies that. Slowly lifting. Coordinates D6 verified.
Deflection amidships is 0.005 inches. Engaging hydraulics, 30,000 psi on jacks 4 through 7. Alignment achieved. Stress nominal.
X-ray team is moving into frame 4. Clear the area. Acknowledged. Securing the arc now. All right, crane, we're set for the starboard plate. Bring it down easy.
Safe. The sail is more than just a tower. It's the submarine's connection to the surface world. Every mast, every periscope.
Opening the main blow valve now. Watch the gauge.
Pressure holding steady. Seal integrity confirmed. Watch your starboard side. It's catching. Take it up 5 feet.
Roger, coming up 5 feet.
Testing circuit integrity now.
Reading stable on my end. Looking good.
Confirmed. Circuit operational.
Readings confirmed on the dynamic balance.
All specs green. Proceed with coding.
Roger that. Commencing anti-corrosion application.
Team B, confirm power connection to Sector 4.
Solid connection. Control. Moving to hydraulics next.
Forklift 3, deliver the sensor pallets to staging area 2.
Ballast panel at 70% recalibrated.
Copy that. Trim indicators holding steady.
Precision alignment tools engaged. Securing mounts now.
Beginning rotation cycle test. Stand clear of hydraulics.
Rotation verified. System green.
Testing protocols confirmed. The new array is online and operational. A submarine is a sealed environment. The life support systems are redundant, monitored, and tested to standards that would make NASA envious.
Area Alpha, systems check good. Copy that. Moving to next sector.
Bravo Galley. Installation complete. All systems checked and verified operational. Pump parameters stable. Flow rate looks optimized.
Copy that. Auxiliary systems synchronized. Integration complete.
Run safety interlock diagnostic on tubes 1 through 4.
Diagnostics complete. System secure. Ready status confirmed.
Gyroscope alignment complete. Integrating data stream now.
Receiving GPS coordinates. Updating primary plot. Accuracy verified.
Initiating automatic shutdown sequence. Scram engaged.
Acknowledged. Safety parameters responding as designed. Stabilization confirmed.
Laser path shows perfect straight line on the propeller shaft connection.
Confirmed. Thousandths of an inch tolerance achieved.
Market verified.
Applying final torque. Check seals.
Pressure holds. Seal integrity verified. Torque specifications met. Ballast control is fundamental to submarine operations. The crew needs absolute confidence.
Running automated cycle on fairwater planes, checking response time.
Hydraulics engaging. Response time is nominal.
Verifying linkage integrity at full deflection.
Switchboard closures complete. Applying full load now. Stand by for breaker test.
Copy that. All systems check good at max capacity.
Bulkhead painting secured in Auxiliary 1. Decking secure in the galley. Finishing checks are green across the board.
Reactor coolant loading. reactor fuel flood.
Monitor 3 shows exponential rise. Data matches predictions. Confirmed. We are critical. Roger that. Maintaining current configuration. Steam pressure steady at 200.
Dive planes responding, bringing her to 100 feet.
Acknowledged. Maintaining reactor power at 50%.
Good response time on that valve closure, but watch your throttlement.
A submarine's hull is her fortress. Every seal, every weld, every penetration is a potential weak point.
Reading 45 mils at frame 62.
Copy. 45 mils confirmed.
Water level stabilized. We have confirmed lift off the blocks.
She's floating! We did it! Thresher is back!
Bring it down slow, steady on the mark.
Guide wires are clear, coming into the hatch.
Seating confirmed. Locking mechanism engaged.
Transfer electrical load to ship's generators.
Transfer complete. Monitoring stability.
Power generation system holding steady at full capacity.
This is the moment of truth. All the engineering, all the testing, all the restoration work comes down to this. Can we actually operate this submarine safely at sea?
Helm, steady on course 290. Bridge, confirmed tug secure.
Tug is clear, Captain. Making way through the channel.
Bridge, control, rigging for dive.
Roger that. Bridge secure. All hands descend.
Hatch secured, ready to dive.
Dive. Passing 100 feet. Adjust the planes, stabilize the trim. Leveling off at 200 feet.
Reaching test depth in a restored submarine is an act of faith in engineering. Every calculation...
Ahead flank, maximum speed. Flank acknowledged. Speed building, 25 knots, 30 knots.
Emergency blow forward and aft.
300 feet! 200 feet! 100 feet!
Right full rudder. Come to new course 290.
Right full rudder, A. Steadying on 290.
Maintaining track on Sierra 1 and Sierra 2. Solutions are converging.
Acknowledged. Control. Tracking data is stable.
A submarine's purpose is projecting power from the depths. These torpedo launches prove Thresher isn't just a floating...
The USS Thresher began its 5-day submerged patrol, demonstrating sustained underwater operations. The crew maintained continuous operations around the clock.
Crew of the USS Thresher! Welcome home! You performed flawlessly during sea trials.
Commander, the USS Thresher is certified for unrestricted operations. Well done.
Thank you, Admiral. She is ready for tasking.
This is what it was all about. Not just restoring a submarine, but creating an operational asset.
Battle stations torpedo. Weapons, fire control solution, mark.
Solution set, Captain. Firing tube 1.
Confirmed successful engagement.
Fire control, shoot tubes 1, 2, and 3. Launch sequence initiated.
Sonar, confirming ice canopy depth at 100 feet.
Navigation. Acknowledged. Recommend slight descent to maintain clearance.
The Arctic is submarine territory. Surface ships can't operate here for months at a time, but nuclear submarines can patrol beneath the ice indefinitely.
The vessel is secured, Admiral. 30 days continuous operation with no major failures.
Excellent work, Commander. The maintenance teams are standing by for turnover.
The USS Thresher have proven the restoration created not a showpiece, but a working asset, with years of operational life remaining.
Dive. Execute mission plan Delta.
Exercise control confirms successful strike. Well done, Commander.
A 90-day deployment is the real test of submarine capability. Everything has to work. Propulsion, life support, food service, maintenance. Inertial systems look good. Confirm the GPS update from periscope depth.
Hi, Captain. Position verified. We're approaching the strait.
Get me an analysis on those emissions immediately.
Running the profile match now, Control.
Warship 16, we have you on comms.
After a brief but crucial maintenance period, the USS Thresher is certified ready. The crew is refreshed, and the boat is...
Sonar, we have lost contact on the submarine.
Weapons free. Simulated torpedo launch. Target neutralized.
Operating at these depths is where submarine engineering meets human courage. The crew trusts the restoration work with their lives.
Look, there he is. Daddy's home.
I missed you both so much. It feels great to be back. Look at this data. Equipment reliability is outstanding.
The reactor performance metrics are flawless. We can certify her for continued ops.
USS Thresher continues operational service, fully integrated into the submarine force's operational cycle.
Modern weapons transform this submarine from a Cold War relic into a current generation combatant.
Deck clear. Launch the CRRCs now.
Roger. Moving to objective area.
Ballast tanks flooding. Prepare to dive.
DSV, status on approach.
Approaching final alignment. Initiating mating sequence now.
Roger that. Good seal confirmed. Exercise successful.
Maintaining course 090.
Confirmed. Steady depth below the ridgeline.
Alpha 2, maneuver to exploit that screen gap, flank speed.
Weapons free, launch authorized. Simulated hit on the carrier, bearing 290. Good engagement.
This port visit strengthens our alliance and demonstrates the capabilities of the Thresher program.
We are honored to host the...
In submarine warfare, quieter means deadlier. Every decibel of noise reduction makes the submarine harder to find.
Grab the line. Pull him in. We got you now, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I thought we were done for.
Get him inside immediately. He's showing signs of hypothermia.
Helm, steady on course 270.
Hi, Captain. Steadying on 270.
Watch that freighter closing on the starboard side, bearing 095.
Propulsion systems holding maximum output. Vibration levels look good.
Confirmed. Sustained speed achieved. Trials successful.
Submarines are ultimate stealth platforms. We can be positioned off any coastline completely undetected, then launch precision strikes hundreds of miles inland.
Water samples secured from the surface run.
AUV is currently mapping the seafloor features. The data stream looks promising for the climate models.
Control, all systems green across the board. Requalification complete.
Helm, steady course. Prepare for accelerated departure. Maintain 30 degrees down bubble.
30 degrees down bubble, eh, sir?